Hey guys, today we're unboxing the Meilong 3x3M magnetic. It's stickerless, so let's open it. So as you can see, this is the Meilong. I'm excited to open. This looks nice. So let's cut the stickers. Let's see. Here. Okay, I opened it. Looks beautiful. As you can see, it comes with a holder and then the Rubik's Cube itself. So let's set that aside for now. Okay. And then in the box, there's a screwdriver. Because you can actually change the tensions. I can't really get it out, so I'm gonna have to cut it out from the other side. It's kind of hard to get it out of the box right now. It's out of the box. So this is a screwdriver to tension the cube. As you can see, there's the screwdriver, and then some instruction manual, and cards and stuff. So like, I don't know, some instruction manuals or just cards. There used to be, yeah, like over here, tells you the way to solve it. So, yeah, that's not, I already know how to solve the cube. So I'm not really gonna use this, so yeah.